Okay, very good, Toyaj. So now let's come to the classes. If you come to know beta, सबसे पहले तो I will be asking some of the question from you that we have in the previous classes. We have learned about how to form expressions, ठीक है? And कैसे आपको expressions form करने हैं, कैसे आप solution करेंगे, that I have already told you. And in the previous class, we were discussing in a very good manner, and everybody was replying also to me that how we'll take the equations forward, or how we'll take the expressions forward. So before I move to any of the question, I just want to begin with one equation here. You only tell me that there is a girl who is making rangoli. Okay, there is a girl who is making rangoli, and I am just answering one question from you that if in one row, कभी आपको याद है आप लोग कुछ लोग डॉटेड वाली रंगोली बनाते हैं, ऐसे डॉट बना करके, कितने लोग डॉट वाली रंगोली बनाते हैं? जस्ट स्पीक। डॉट वाली रंगोली कोई किसी से बनती है? हाँ। सो यहाँ पर एक गर्ल है, उसका नाम है माला। देयर इज अ गर्ल हुज नेम इज माला and she is making a rangoli from the dots. ठीक है? Now she has a design on which she has drawn 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 dots in one row. Okay, she has 6 dots in one row. ठीक है? If she has total r rows, she has total r rows, can you tell me how many dots she will be having in her total rangoli? Can you please answer me? In the previous class we have discussed this kind of question. Tell me faster, what do you tell about that? How many dots will be there for r rows? If you remember, we have taught this. Yes, Soumya, we don't call it R6 beta, we call first the number should be there, and then the क्या बोलते हैं, the variable will come. So the answer, very nice, everybody is writing the very correct answer. It's 6 into R. It's 6 into R, and if 6 into R ko we can write it only 6R. Very nice, absolutely correct. ठीक है? Now moving on to the next question which I want to ask from you only, that if a basket has m mangoes, if a basket has m mangoes and another basket has mangoes 13 less than the previous one, it means इस वाली बास्केट से इस वाली बास्केट में 13 लेस है. So can you tell me how many it has? Pratyushi, you are making it just opposite beta. It should be m. B कहाँ से आ गया? How 50B came, Ayushi? My question is different. Yes, very nice. The answer is correct which you people are writing. Ayushman, you are also writing just opposite. It is telling 13 less than the previous one. So previous one is m. 13 less, matlab m minus 13, not 13 minus m beta. Very nice, absolutely correct. The correct answer would be now m is here now, minus 13. M is small, sorry. So I will put m minus 13 here. Okay, this is the here now. Now we are moving on to exercise. ठीक है, हम लोग अब exercise में बढ़ने वाले हैं, and we will be doing the questions related to exercise only. So before I move on to the exercise, Anika, beta, can you please pause the recording for 1 minute? 11.1, question number 1 and question number 2 we will not be doing now. It is an activity based question, so we will be doing it later on. Okay, because for this question you need to be like only that day we will do only activity. ठीक है. So we will not be doing this question exercise 11.1 question number 1 and question number 2 we are not discussing now. We will be discussing it later on. ठीक है. So we are going to start from question number 3 of NCERT. Now if you talk about question number 3, the question is telling the cadets are marching in a parade. ठीक है. Cadets आपने देखा होगा जनरली जो लोग परेड करते हैं. So cadets are marching in a parade. There are 5 cadets in a row, just like a Rangoli question, which I have just now done it. So in one row, there are 5 cadets. Okay, in one row, there are 5 cadets. Now, what is the rule which gives us number of cadets if the number of rows are n? If the number of rows are n, can you tell me the answer, all of you in the chat box? What do you say? What should be the answer here? Please type in the chat box. If there is one row, 5 cadets, then if there are n rows, how many cadets should be there? Very nice. It should be 5 into n. And if you write 5 into n, that means you are talking about 5n. Okay, so it means it would be 5n cadets. So now this answer was given by you people. What you have told, that I have written it. Now question number 3 is done. Now let's move in question number 4. If there are 50 mangoes in a box, if there are 50 mangoes in a box, it means one box we have 50 mangoes. Okay. Now the question is telling here that how will you write the total? If you have B as a number of box, it means you have total B boxes. It means total number of boxes are B. What do you say? What should be the answer here? The answer should be one box, 50 mango. So B box, it means the 50 into B. I have taught you also. So the answer could be 50 B mangoes. The answer would be 50 B mangoes. Very rightly said, beta. Everybody is writing the correct answer. Now moving ahead with question number 5. So if you talk about question number 5, the teacher distributes 5 pencils per student. 5 pencils per student. It means one student is getting 5 pencils. Okay. Now the question is telling here that if you have, where is the question now? Yes. If you have S number of students, total students are S. One student, 5 pencil, and the students are S. S number of student you have, then what do you think? The answer could be how many pencils will be distributed? There are 5 pencils for one student. There are 5 pencils for one student. So here it would be 5 into S. So 5 into S means 5 S pencils. So the answer would be 5 S pencils. Okay. I hope it is clear to everyone. Question number 3, question number 4, question number 5. If you have understood, can you type in the chat box yes? Can you type in the chat box yes if you have understood these all 3 questions? Question number 3, 4, 5. Okay. Very nice. Thank you very much, beta. Now let's move ahead. Let's move ahead with the question number 6. I hope the books are open, beta, because it is compulsory to have the books now, because without seeing the questions, you cannot do the answers, beta. Okay? So let's move ahead with the next question. That is question number 6 now. So I am moving ahead with question number 6. Question number 6 says, a bird flies 1 kilometer in 1 minute. Okay. 1 minute. 1 kilometer. Okay. Now the covered by the bird in the terms of its flying times and minutes. If the timing is t, here we have t minutes. We have t minutes. Can you tell me the answer? Very nice. Everybody is writing correct. It would be 1 into t, kilometer. So remember, if it is 1 into t, you are knowing that when we multiply any number with 1 only, you get the same answer. So the answer would be t kilometer. So the answer would be t kilometer. So remember, it's just like a many multiply, many to 1 divide. है ना? 1 to many multiply, many to 1 divide. So here we all are doing only multiplication. So now let's move with question number 7 here. Question number 7, same question which I have just now discussed. Radha is drawing a dot rangoli in which she has 9 dots per row. Like one row, she has 9 dots. In our question, Mala 1, we have taken 6 dots. But here she has taken 1 row is equals to 9 dots. Now the question is asking from us that how many, where is the question now? How many dots will her rangoli will have if she will have r rows? If she will have r rows, how many dots would be there? Can you reply, beta? How many rows, how many dots will be there if she will have r rows? Very nice. Absolutely correct. Satvik, there are r rows, beta, and one dot is one row. It means 9 dots. One row means 9 dots. So it would be 9 into r. It would be 9 into r. So the answer would be 9 r dots. Okay. Now remember, the question is moving ahead also. The question is telling that how many dots will her rangoli have for if you have 8 rows. If you have 8 rows. See?
8R.
Now, no beta, not 8 rows. Acha, 8 rows bol raha tha na? Yes. Look at here. 1 row, 9 dots. 8 rows, 9 into 8. As you have done for r rows, no? 9 into r, it would be 9 into 8. So what comes? 9 into 8? 72 dots. So the answer would be 9 8s are 72. Now, can you guess, beta, if you will have 10 rows, how many dots would be there? You just reply in the chat box. Nobody will answer it orally. I want answer from everyone in the chat box only. Yes, absolutely correct, beta. It would be 90. 90 means 9 into 10. It would be 9 into 10. So 9 into 10, which will give us 90 dots. Yes. So the answer for question number 7 would be for 8 rows, 72. For 10 rows, 90 dots. And if r rows, 9 r dots. So this is the question number 7, which we have done it now. Okay. Now let's move ahead with question number 8 now. And question number 8 is also just like a simple one as we have done it earlier. ठीक है, हम लोगों ने इससे पहले भी बेटा इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन किया है. ठीक है. One more thing I want to tell you here. In class 6C, if they also want to watch recording, any of your friend, if also they want to see the recording of maths class taught by me, you can share it. Okay, you can share it the channel. Are you getting what I am trying to say? If you want to,
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I think you can write the notice on the WhatsApp chat now.
There is no, beta. 60 students I don't have, but there were some students who were telling to me that, ma'am, we want to know this question solution, this question solution. So that is why I'm telling that if they also want to see the recording, so you can just prefer them that it's ma'am's channel, so you can go and watch the our classes, how we are doing it. Okay? So it's like if you want to share, then only. I am not going to share this thing, beta. So chalo. So now let's move it. Algebra exercise 11.1. We are on question number 8 now. Now here the question is talking about Leela is Radha's younger sister. ठीक है, Radha's younger sister मतलब लीला हो गई छोटी और राधा हो गई बड़ी. ठीक है, so here it is telling that Leela is Radha's younger sister. So now the question is telling that if Leela is 4 years younger than Radha, ठीक है, Leela is equal to, it is written 4 years younger than Radha. ठीक है, now 4 years younger than Radha, it means the question is telling here what will be the age of Leela if Radha is X. If Radha is X, now you guess it. Very nice, Ayushi and other students, they are replying it very nicely and it is absolutely correct, beta. Very nice. It is telling here that 4 years younger than Radha. So it would be 4 years younger than Radha means X, because the question is telling here X. Now I have told you that first we take this number. So it would be X first and 4 years younger. Younger matlab chota. Chota matlab kam. Kam matlab minus. So that is X minus 4. So the answer would be that Leela is X minus 4 years. Don't forget to mention years because you are talking about years. Hai na? Yes, you are talking about years. So that is why the answer would be coming in X minus 4. Okay. Now let's move. अगर ये क्वेश्चन चेंज हुआ होता बेटा, कैन यू राइट इट डाउन? इफ सपोज ये क्वेश्चन ये नहीं होता, द क्वेश्चन वुड बी डिफरेंट. द क्वेश्चन वुड बी दैट Leela was 4 years older than Radha. Can you guess the answer? Suppose question ये होता कि that Leela is 4 years older, or I can tell it elder than Radha. What should be the answer in that case? Very nice. The answer should be X plus 4. It would not be 4 plus X. Beta, don't write 4 plus X. Otherwise, subtraction में दिक्कत जाएगी बेटा. Remember, you are depending on Radha. तो राधा का नाम पहले आएगा. राधा का नाम पहले आएगा सात्विक रंजन बेटा. X will be coming first, then plus 4. The last term on which we are depending, it comes first. So it would be X plus 4, not X 4 plus X. Okay. Satvik Ranjan, it's not X4 beta, it's X plus 4. Okay. So let's move ahead now. Question number 9 की तरफ आगे बढ़ते हैं. So the question number 9 is telling here. Question number 9 says that mother has made laddus. Okay. She gives some laddu to the guests and family members. She still has 5 laddus. If number of laddus mother gave away was L, then what is the total number of laddus she make it? Now, very nice question. The question was total number of laddus. Okay. Now, out of total laddus, she gave away L. ये लड्डू से दे दिया. So she gave away to guest. It means these are the laddu which she has already given. After giving, she has 5 laddus left with us. Okay, left with her only. So it means still she has 5 laddus. So ये दे दिया है, ये अभी भी उसके पास है. ठीक है? So it means it was given, suppose 10 was given and 5 are still with mother. So it means 10 plus 5 she has made 15. So the same thing, if she has given L laddus to the guest, 5 are still left with her. It means the total laddus she made was, total laddus she made, it was L plus 5. I hope you people have got it. It would be L plus 5. Okay? It means the total laddus she made was L plus 5. Now, last question I want to discuss. Uske baad we will be moving, landing the class. That is question number 10 is, oranges are to be transferred from larger boxes to smaller boxes. ठीक है? एक बड़ा सा बॉक्स दिया है बेटा, and उसके oranges निकाल करके छोटे वाले बॉक्स में डाले जा रहे हैं. ठीक है? So this is question number 10. So this is a larger box. This is a larger box and it has some oranges, which is transferred into two smaller boxes. It is written कि net इसका जो है, two smaller boxes are covering this too much oranges which it is having. It is covering two small boxes, and still it has 10 oranges remain outside. बिल्कुल just like the question of that laddu one. ठीक है, इसके oranges निकाल करके इसमें डाल दिया गया. ठीक है, and plus 10 अभी भी बचा हुआ है. Now the question is telling that if one small box has X laddus, if one small box has 1 laddus, then how many were in total? Very nice, everybody is writing correct. It is like either you want to write it x plus 10 is equals to larger box. Either you write this one or you write 2 into x plus 10 is equals to larger box. ठीक है, 2 into x means it comes as 2x plus 10 is equals to larger box. Remember, so these are the oranges. So answer would be total oranges in the larger box would be 2x plus 10 oranges. So I hope everybody has got it. How to do exercise 11.1. Anika, you may stop recording, beta. Save it.
Yes.